Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn in Videos. So in this video tutorial we are going to see how we can generate the reports using Microsoft Word. By using the feature of mailing, we can generate reports in Microsoft Word. So for this you need first the template. So this is the template where it contains reference number, date, okay, and to address, and it contains dear parent or guardian, progress report for your ward Rohit, bearing register number 1152, and this is its scorecard. So we need to introduce this with different names and different register number and different, like in short we need to introduce this with different number of students. For that sake, what you need to do is you should create one Excel sheet like this. So this is one Excel sheet where it has register number, then it has name, then address, then the number of subjects and its percentage, the attendance percentage. So now go back to your Word. So here, first thing, so we'll put some reference number. For example, I'll put 1152 as the reference number. We'll put the one date. So we'll put today's date. Okay. So now here to XYZ. So I have given to XYZ. So here we need to introduce that field, that address field, which is there in this Excel sheet. So you can see over here, there is one address field. So this address field we need to introduce. So how we are going to do that? Go to select recipient, then click on use an existing one. Now locate the Excel sheet. So my Excel sheet is in downloads. So this one, I'll click on open. So now it will ask me for sheet number. So my sheet number is 1. So I'll click on OK. So afterwards, so wherever you want to insert the fields from Excel, you need to copy that. So I need address. So just go back here, click on insert merge field. Now click on address over here. So now here in this space, you'll get the address. So now, dear parent or guardian, this is common. Progress report of your ward. So now I want ward as a different person name. So what I'll do in this, I'll go once again for insert match field. So I'll insert name. Okay. So his register number is also changed. So I'll go for insert merge fields. Now I'll click on register number. So likewise, I'm going to fill this first one. What is the marks he has obtained? I'll click on insert merge field. Then B mats 101 is the field that the marks contained of this subject. Next, his corresponding attendance, which is math. So in physics, once again, I'm going to click on physics. Then its corresponding percentage, that is PHY. Then for programming, once again, I click on BPOC 103. Next, its corresponding attendance. Next, introduction to electronic programming, which is this one. Now its percentage, which is ESC. Now renewable energy resources, that is this one, and its corresponding attendance is this one. Next, communicative English, it is this, and its attendance is ENG. Next, for Kannada language, marks is in this field and attendance is in this field. Now lastly, for innovation, design and thinking, this one and this field contains the attendance of this subject. So now everything is ready. So here we'll get the address, date. Next, here we'll get his name, student name, his register number, and here we'll get the marks. Okay. So now you can also generate by selecting the recipient. If you click on this, you'll get different names that are over here, that are contained in this name. For instance, if you don't want to generate the report card of Sonu, so you should untick it. So it will not generate the report card of Sonu. So for now, I'll tick it. I'll click on OK. So now you should click on Start Mail Merge and select the letters. Next, you need to go to Finish and Merge. Then select on Edit Individual Document. Now you can select either all or current document depending upon your choice. So I'll select on all and I'll click on OK. So now here you can see to Mr. XYZ Road, PQR Building, West Coast, Mumbai. This is a dummy address. And here you can see progress report of your ward, Prajwal, and bearing register number 4692, and his marks are pasted in this. So now if we go below, so next, here also we have the address. Next, your ward is Rakesh, his register number is 5112, and his marks and attendance percentage. Likewise, if we go and see, all the files, all the report cards have been generated automatically. So you can observe in this, all the report cards have been generated automatically. So let me scroll down to the last one and let me show you. See, these many reports card we have generated in one click. So as you can see, yes. So Madhav, so his register number and his marks and percentage. Let us cross verify. You can see Madhav, his address and his marks. Yes. So likewise, you can make use of mailing feature of Microsoft Word to generate your report cards or anything which should be done in a format. If you like the contents, guys, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let us meet in next learning video. Thanks for watching.